Hello everyone who is watching. That is the start of Let me put this mic nicely, and now we can start trading. Remember, I have taken buys from 4300, 4302. There is where I have taken my buys, hunting 4317. We are going to level -1, which is 4317. Yep, there is where I took those buys. First sell, I took the sell from the 0 level. There's where I took my first sell. Now trade live with Big Baba. I've already flipped. I'm flipping $30 to $500 right away. First sell from the 0 level. I took that sell from there. Then si kitu ikae vizuri inanisumbua. Kwani lazima iingie hapo. Market lazima iende 43.17. Remember the 0 level is around 40, the opening price of the year. So we are chilled. We are chilled, man. Can you see level -2.225? That's where we took the buys from. Here we are cruising up nicely, and we took sells from the 0 level. Here the 0 level, bruh. That is what we call the 0 level. Na sijui mbona hii chart itaki kuenlarge hivyo, yeah. Hivi yeah, chart inafaa ikuwe inakaa hivi sasa. Juu sahii tunaenda 43.17 na market iwezi enda place ingine before 43.17. Tampiga. What? Oh, ningeshangaa. Remember, we are taking that market to level 43.17. The point I have, your point nimeweka the line. Let me enlarge a bit. Itaonekana kwa screen. There is no difference. So 43.17. Oh no, inafaa kuwa kubwa kidogo. And there is where we are going now. I told you we are going to 43.17. 43.17 from bank level negative 2.225 here. I took buys here, and then I'm taking this market to here. It's either breaks, retest, and we move upside. Remember, market imerudishwa, this come down here, imerudishwa at the opening price of the year. As you can see here, this was the opening price of the year, so kuna high possibility itaenda tu itap na irudi tena chini, but most of the time when market opens with a big gap, it usually goes to level negative 2.225 and buys from there, because retail traders are thinking market is coming where? Retail traders, most of them are thinking market is coming to the midpoint of this fair value gap. Let me measure the midpoint of the fair value gap. A lot of retail traders think market is coming to this midpoint, which it never comes, and they are left frustrated. Others are trying to sell, hunting the midpoint of that fair value gap. Trust me, I've done this shit a lot of time, trying to short the market, hunting the midpoint of this fair value gap, because that is what I was taught. Market always comes to the midpoint of the fair value gap and buys from there. But from my market experience, if market opens with a big gap, and between 330 and 430, between 330 and 430, market comes to that midpoint, then high chances market is going to, it will tap the midpoint and buy. How is the going? How is the going? Market is still buying. True. Now it's around 47.17. You can see back to the value gap, and now we are going up nicely. We are cruising up nicely. Really? No, it's not that one. No, it's not that one. But I was supposed to be careful with that. Not that. It's not happening. I was supposed to be careful with the level. Yeah, that one. Maybe that one. No. It's not happening. Top buy. Nah. Let's wait and see if it will form something I like to see around there. Tap any inside. Yeah, it's not happening. It was not happening. But that I was supposed to sell from there. Like clean sell, man. Clean. That was a clean sell, bruh. That was a clean sell. That was a clean sell, man. Clean sell. Dun 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 la 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 la. Let me get out from where I'm sitting to go somewhere else, because there is disturbing. There is a lot of makeleles there. 1 2 1 2. I hope I'm audible enough. La. Market has tapped our bank level -0. Do you think it will form a continuation trade ama ita nini? Do you think ita form a continuation trade ama ita reverse? But high probably, so I told you it has to go to 43.17 before it thinks of how it will do. Me, I have taken my profit 13.20. That is around 150 pips burnt in the morning. Fast. Haraka, man. Haraka. We have banked those peeps, man. We have banked those peeps. I hate Manchester United fans. So if you hate Manchester United fans, so what should I do? What should we do? Because you hate them. Cry? We are waiting for the market to do. But this market is breaking out. I don't even know why I got out. But it's highly breaking out. As you can see, I need to see an insider candle. I need to see an inside candle inside that bank level. That is what I am anticipating to see. That is what I want to see. An inside candle inside that bank level. That is what I want to see right now. Ilente baro kankwitu akiwengao na mlinzi natuka na amani antupate na ustawi Yeah, I told you, if they are going to frame sales, then if they are going to frame sales from the market, then they have to frame the sales from 43.17. I hope you are seeing what the market is doing. I want to see an inside candle touch in there, and then I will give you a direction on what to do. How does an inside candle look like? I will show you how an inside candle. Because when you see an inside candle inside the bank level, that means banks have already entered. For now, banks are they haven't entered, but now you can use the bank level to sell or to buy. But someone like me, I am just chilled and waiting for an inside candle because I have already TP'd one. Name it TP1 and I'm already done. You can see market 47.17 at a end, even if it goes with high speed there, it has to be stopped. That is the nature of these markets. If market taps a bank level, even if it's going with 100 kilometers per hour, they have to stop it. It has to be stopped. It has to be stopped. As you can see, even this, it was coming down with high speed. If you check it this way, high speed, bank level, stop it, take it back to level -1, high speed, stop it. Yeah, there is no plan B. Yeah, that's why after market it's at any of the bank level, you should get the hell out of the trade. Live trade with big boss xauusd. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, 8-0. So uja update wewe. I will say in 1-7 and we have already hit 180, so guys subscribe it. Hata hii stupid I update. For now we are going down till further notice. 43.17 has stopped the price from moving upside. Inaenda ina tap, inafanya mavitu za kwake. Yeah. Na 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 na. Una close nini wewe? You know you love her if you let her go. You can see how market may reverse with a high speed. I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you. Yeah. See, let me enlarge the screen in a way you can see. Try to break it, bring it down, retap the level, sell. This is the power of the bank levels. And now this market has to come back here, or the midpoint of level -1 and level 1. I have seen this shitty kind of trade a million times. Kuja, tap, sell. I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it. I have seen it a lot of times. I usually say it will support right and a break. There is nothing like that. We are coming down. We are coming down, and we are coming down with high speed. We are coming down, and we are coming down with high speed. So see how the big boss has traded: sell, buy, sell. That is precision. Sell, buy, sell. That is how we trade here. I don't know if there is a way I can share my camera. I am still working on that, and I will be showing my profits on camera. Oh, I will be trading with a TikTok account linked with my PC. In a way, you can see it down here. Yeah, that is basically what I will be doing. You know you love her if you let her go. We are coming down. We are coming down. We are coming down. We're coming down. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. And then it will boom. Remember, the yearly candle is controlling price. The yearly opening price is what is managing price today. Unless you're at the bank level, you can't know what the hell you're doing. Let's wait and see. It will just sell. It has to come down. You know, it's a big deal. Ama imeenda to the midpoint. Let's see. Let's wait and see kama imefika kwa midpoint. Because kama imefika kwa midpoint, that's a bit crazy. Midpoint of level 1. And bado ijafika the 50 level. So bro, you're going nowhere. So you're selling. You're selling, brother. You're selling. The only thing it can do is sell. Nothing else. The only right thing the market can do is sell. Someone will tell you that money can't bring happiness. Aye, so unatuambia tufanye nini? So nitoke kwa hiyo hata hiyo page. You know me, I trade while I'm watching TikTok videos. That's why you can follow me. No, you can you can just follow up with my trading. If I take a trade, I tell you I take a trade. I took a sell from level 4317.72 around there. Then we are coming down. Take profit will be 50% of level -1 and level 2. This is where I'm taking the profits from. I have sold level negative. I sold from the 0 level here, and then I bought here, and I sold there. You can just watch the lines how they are controlling price with your own pleasure, at your own pleasure. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. We use the opening price for the year as out as our 0 level today. Nope. There is a way you get all these levels. If you love trading gold, just stay around and watch this market do its thing. And watch this market do its thing, man. This is gold trading. Yeah. That is enough. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. Remember 4317.72, it's the line above the price. It's what has been holding price. We bought down there 4304. We got out 4317. Yeah, that is what we have been doing for the meantime. Any question? Any questions so far? Any question? Remember, I will start teaching you how to calculate these price points mathematically from today, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Just stay around. I will start a series on how to trade using, everything in this market is, they're just using mathematical formulas to control everything. Are you hearing that? They are using mathematical formulas to control everything. Everything is controlled by maths. Everything is like does it, even you think about it, if it's random, why are the banks trading it? Something which is not mathematically calculatable, banks can't put their money there. These are the bank levels which I give every day from Monday to Friday, every day at 9 a.m. Today I gave out, you can go and check the video, but I dropped it a bit later. It's what I'm live streaming right now. You can trade it with me. Just live trade with Big Bazaar. I've already made a lot of money, like literally. Today I will flip the camera before the end of the video and show you something. They gotta have to take that market down. They are not going to buy it now. As long as the level -1 was retapped, then they have no option unless from they're gonna have to sell the price for a while. They're selling it. They are selling it from 43.17. Let's wait and see. You know you love her if you let her go. Bye. Highlights. Who else is supporting Belgium? And today this World Cup is boring. There is no Eden Hazard with Belgium. Where is Eden Hazard in Belgium? It's boring without Eden Hazard. Do you research? Which teams are you supporting? Because me, I'm supporting. I've the new Eden Hazard has retired. I'm still supporting Belgium. So let's wait and watch the price do its thing first. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. Tin tin tero 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 tim tam 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 why is it doing like this? I have known what I will do. Go to your TikTok and then download the latest one. Where is it? I just want all of you keep your eyes on 4317. The bank level I have labeled. The bank level about the price. That line, if you're not seeing it very well, it's the line above the price. It's 4317.72. You can label it in your chart. And that is what I like about trading. If you don't label what I'm showing you, then you're just wasting your time here. Yeah, I need you to be labeling it and watching it. That is what gives me some kind of pleasure from there. Yeah, because I told you market is not going to here. You know, a lot of traders are waiting the market to come here. A lot of them, they're waiting market to come to the midpoint of this level, and market is not going there. It's not, bruh. It's not. Level negative 2.225, which is around 4300. It's not breaking there. It's buy. It's either buy the whole day, or consolidate all the way, or consolidate between level negative 1 and level 2. That is basically what will be happening today. You know you love her if you let her go. You know, I was doing something. You know, you guys, when you see market trying to go against you for even like 1 minute, you are always scared. You want to run away. You want to run and go away. Understand market mathematically is what I'm now planning to do. The next course. You know you love her if you let her go. You know you love her if you let her go. Si nimewaambia, it's selling, man. Selling, man. Kama your market is at the midpoint between level negative 1 and level 2, basically to these two levels, this and this level. If that market has not tapped the midpoint of that, it's selling. Yeah, and you don't listen. And now I want to be using TradingView to analyze. I want to quit MT5. Yeah, but I'm working on that now. If you just took sales from 4317, zero drawdown, already ungekuwa already how many pips? 17 point minus 40 pips now from our entry. Yeah, 40 pips, and we are still going down, man. Sell the 0 level, buy level 2, sell negative 1. That is today's formula. 0, 2, 1. 0 to 1. That is what is level 0, level negative 2, level negative 1. 0, negative 2, negative 1. Tap. That is what it has been following. But you don't want to trade that way. But it's very much okay. You know me, I'm just sitting in the house about. Yeah, trading should be boring. It should be boring. others, they never even entered that retracement. Mm-hmm. 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 Tell you Ashbad ache kulilisha wa Kenya. Politics. Huyu ni nani? Aha. Nyamashimo ndile yavuka kwa Meri etondumoni. Checkmate. We are still dumping. We're still coming down. Kuna market inabaya hapa before iende mali na iambi iende. Unless ikuwe imefika kwa midpoint na sijui, that is when it's going to sell, buy. Yeah, but basically ukiona iko na kerere unaweza toka sasa. Because we are on a buy move, we are trying to sell like inaitwa selling inside a buying market. You can see double tops formed around our level -1. So that meaning if it break there, it will just crash down. So do you have the balls? Do you trust it? Yeah. That is opening of a new 5-minute candle. So what us big boss does, tunafanyanga hivi. Tukiona market imefanya hivi, imeanza upuzi, we watch time 11 a.m. is in 9 minutes. 11 a.m. is in 9 minutes. So, and 11 a.m. if you have watched the quarterly theorist full course, 11 a.m. is the opening price for the distribution session of the London session. It's distribution of London, 11 a.m. Kama uliwatch your, if you watch the quarterly theory full course seriously, then you know what I'm talking about. 11 a.m. it's the opening price for the distribution session of the London session. So what basically market is doing, we are waiting for 11 a.m. Market sahi na prefer distribution 11 a.m. Hata hiyo paja itaenda sana because it will want to retrace 11 a.m. itapa hapa and then tujipange. Usi isikudanganye, this is a fake. This is a fake. As long as 11 a.m. itafika, like it's not breaking out. Nimeiona mara mingi mimi. This one. It's not skyrocketing up like it's showing it wants to do. No. Inatangojea time. Hiyo fake out isikudanganya ati kuna mali inaenda, let me enlarge. Hii isikudanganya kuna mali inaenda juu ime break out. Isikudanganya. Even if it goes like lazima 11 a.m. your market warudisha kwa 43.17. That is basically what will happen. It's going to happen now. Na sijui mbona hawajapeleka hiyo market kwa midpoint ya, ama walifikisha kwa midpoint ilikuwa 70.77. Hebu kwanza niweke hiyo hivi, niache kuidisturb. Wasikudanganya, hawapeleki hiyo market mahali. They should not lie to you. So these motherfuckers wamepeleka kwa 61%. That's hard as sijarienta buys. You know, wangeleta hapa ningeenta buys because me I like trading zero drawdown trades. Most of the time that is what I like trading. Now I have told you this is a fake out. This one is a fake out. They are waiting for 11 a.m. They tap the zero level and they buy. What's the one? That's a fact, man. Hawezi peleka hiyo market mali kama 11 a.m. ijafika. Hata wakipeleka they have to lazima itarudi hapa. Lazima lazima they take the market here. Lazima hiyo market irudi hapa. Ile unasikianga breakout and retest, it's now what is happening now. Kama ukicompress utaona market has broken structure to the upside, you look for a value gap and buy. Now what is happening now is it's time now, you are timing that retracement now. It should be a time based retracement. Past 5 minutes of 5 p.m, 11 a.m, the distribution phase. If that market won't tap here, I will not buy. This is a fake. This one is fake. This one is fake. Let's wait and see. It's fake. Kweli. Mbona wameipeleka huko before 11 p.m? Juu wameipeleka juu sana. Juu 11 a.m, I'm expecting that market to come, ikuja itap hapa, then we buy. 11 a.m, the distribution phase of the London session. Most of the time ikijaribu ku open just above it, 100% time market huwa inakuja inarudi ina tap, then tuna continue na buys. Though naona double lows, breakout, value gap, trap there, bring it down. Let's wait and see. But what I knew is market is not going to this value gap. This one I knew it's going to buy from there, and then now buyers ndio wanajaribu kujireconcile. Now let's wait and see. Acha tuone. Mostly these kind of trades, they always happen on Mondays. Mondays market ikienda level negative 2.225 inakuanga crazy buys most of the time on Mondays. I love trading level negative 2.225 on Mondays. A lot. Now let's wait and see. The Nini is in 5 minutes. The distribution session of London session is in 5 minutes. Now let's wait and see kama itakuja itap and ifanya what we want it to do. In 4 minutes we are entering the distribution, and now the distribution is what you should be trading. Now kuna watu washa blow account before distribution of London, a lot of them. Now it's London session and we are waiting for that market to come to 4317.62 and we take buys, unless they want to focus, because I'm seeing double lows, fair value gap, tap the fair value gap, bring the market, stupid market here, bring the market here to Jinga, bring the market there, bring the stupid market here. Kwani usikiangi? Sasa ufala ni wakikosa kuileta hapo. Sasa 11 am wanaweza ifungua na buy moto sana. You know that first 1 minute candle of 11 am, it's carrying a lot of power. Yeah, let's wait and see. Your 11 am candle iko na a lot of power. When you fake out wewe, when you fake out hakuna mahali unaenda. Sasa hii ni mchezo sasa. This is pure jokes now. Pure jokes, because 11 am sasa ikiopen around that itakuwa imeharibu. Juu tu itafunguka na buy candle, na itafunguka ikibuy kama gasia. Sasa unaona sasa hii kurudi. Yes, kata itarudi na buy, but now sasa inaharibu mambo. Unaharibu mchezo wewe. The retracers, the sell retracers, the buy retracers now. Here is where we buy. But sasa wewe umekuwa mtoto mjinga sasa. Sawa na. Sasa enda kwenye unaenda basi. Si uende. 11 am distribution phase of 11 of London session in 5 minutes. So the yearly opening price ni acha uone sasa hiyo reversal vile itakuwa crazy now. The yearly opening price ni 4327.57. So 11 am nataka kuona vile hiyo market itabehave aje ikitapa hapo distribution ya London. Leteni market chini bana. Sasa mnatuacha mbona? Why you leaving us? Stupid. Mnaenda bila retracement wapi? Stupid. So most of the time I've seen ikifanya ufala by the way. And you are not even supposed to break here. Calm down. Leta miguu hapa chini wewe. Si ukae na ukule kiburi yako. Kula hiyo kiburi yako sasa. Juu pia wewe umenichokesha. Mkuu, which method are you using to kindly teach us? I have said I will start teaching the mathematical models for entering the market every day 1 p.m. on my YouTube channel. Hiyo series inaenda kuanza. So it's the time. Sasa it's distribution phase of the London session. That is the first 1 minute candle. Why mbona hiyo candle haijakuwa na pressure mingi sana na ni distribution ya London? Hii candle ilifaa ikuwe, this candle was supposed to have an energy like the 5 p.m. candle, but now this 1 minute candle of 11 a.m. it has done stupidly. Why? Because they pushed the market so much away from the level -1. You can see we took buys here, we sold from the 0 level. Why did we sell from the 0 level? Because 0 level was slightly above the yearly candle opening. Now let's wait and see. Everyone, I need everyone to open your eyes. Open your eyes as this market is coming to. They have to bring the market down here for 317. Why are you going without tapping our buys? Are you mad? Now the problem happens. Here is where the problems comes in. Market never came to the midpoint of the level 0 and level -1. So if you check correctly, they are supposed to bring the market to 4317.62 and then they buy aggressively from there. But now they wanajifanya okay, wanajua sana kuliko big boss. They are pretending to, but they know a lot than what I know, and they should go to hell. And Mungu awalani nini, because you are very stupid. Like the first 1 minute candle of 11 a.m. like twice a week, it usually opens slightly above level -1, back to level -1 and buy. Now when it buys above it, now this is stupidity. Now this becomes stupidity, and you don't know what the hell is happening till now, because now me I'm watching the yearly opening, because 2026 opening price of the year was 4327.57. This is where I'm watching, but me I don't trade yearly openings. I just know it's a level which can take price 100 pips away or above. Now this as long as they haven't reached this market to level -1, something will just be off. So that means even this 0 level 43.1, it will tap there, and now they are not going to break it there unless they tap these buys here. They are not going to do shit. So I'm just preparing to sell 43.1.31. But now when I'll see an inside candle inside 43.1.34, then there is where I'm going to open my full potential. Yeah. Now market is trading inside. Let me go to the other tab. Now here is the yearly opening. There is where the banks are entering. Now I want you to watch the power of that candle. Boom, boom, boom. It should be a very very big candle because it's a yearly opening price point. So there is where the banks are adding more money. More money is being added there on the yearly opening candle. Bruh, there is where the banks are entering. Where tusizoeane by the way, kwani mnataka kwenda? Okay, okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I know why. I know the big candle. There is a lot of rejection inside the yearly candle. So what I will just do, I'll take you here because me I know where the banks are entering. Banks are entering on that year here. This is the yearly opening price, but now banks, they know a lot of people are watching the yearly opening price like Big Boss, but they know I know where they are going to enter. They are going to enter that 43.31. This is where they are going to tap. Take the market to the zero level. This is what we call the zero level in trading, and then they will boom down price to 43.17. And now that's this sale which will happen from 43.31 will make a lot of retail traders think market is now coming to, it will make a lot of retail traders to think market is now coming to 42.55, the midpoint of this big fair value gap, which today market is not fucking coming there. Are you getting that? And then let's do it. We mtawacha upuzi. Got at the zero level and then come down, because now if you start reversing from there, then you will be doing bullshit now, because this is an yearly candle. That is an yearly price point. This is an yearly price point. You should be very careful with it. That is an yearly price point. This one, yearly opening, try to break it, because now after this candle slept slightly above it, the yearly candle of 2026 turned bullish. So there is a lot of orders being added there in the market. So what do? You stay calm and watch. Stay calm, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. Don't rush it. You don't rush it. You wait for the market to give you a setup. You don't force the setup to happen. You chill, man. You chill, man. You chill, man. You chill. Yeah, no pressure. Pressure zero, man. Like, you're trading this market for the next 10 years. So why the rush to make a setup? Like, chill. You can even take one trade for 10 years. Go on. For the fun of it. And make sure that trade imekupatia generational wealth. Because if you're taking one trade for the next 10 years, unless that trade is a buy, buy for gold though. Now wait, chill now. They are not going to fucking reverse that price as long as they haven't tapped 43.31. That's where the banks are going to enter. They are not just entering there because it's a yearly yes, it's a yearly opening price. No bruh, wait and see. I'm tired. Like, and now we need Casey and Ginger. Remember, market has tapped an yearly level there. 11 a.m. they have taken the market to an yearly opening price here. Where is 11 a.m.? It opened here, took the market to yearly bank point, but now the problem is one. The yearly level is not around our banking levels, so I'm expecting the market first to be taken there, and then we will think about other things later. Wait for it to tap 43.31 and now start thinking about selling gold for a while. unless it will want to take out this high here. If you see an inside candle inside here, we are going full mag and sell back to 43.17. Mesikia vile nimesema So we are waiting for the market to go to 43.31, see an inside candle and sell gold. That is what we are going to do. Tap 43.31, see an inside candle, sell gold. This level above here, and I have, because it's not going to violate 43.39, I have, that is what is going to happen. 43.31, markets up there, wait for an inside candle, sell gold. You are selling before that. Wewe wacha ujinga sasa. Yeah. Kitambo, I used to see that down candle and I used to run and sell. I used to rush and sell the market without even thinking. But one thing for sure is there is a lot of entries which were left at 43 for 17. Your bank level -1, it was not filled. They never filled the orders, so they have to bring the market there, see an inside candle, likambai. Na nimeanza kusikia njaa man. Where should I eat now? Ile fridge kweli iko na chakula. I think kuna mkate. I'll just go and check because now, guys, I'm starting to get hungry. Unataka kuniambia mtapeleka market kwa 0 level? Okay, sawa. I agree because this is a yearly candle. This is a yearly opening price. Yeah. Because hapa kuna a lot of orders hazijakuwa filled and they have to take the market there. Watake wasitake. But mimi nilikuwa nangojea sniper entry sell from 43.31. Sure. Naongo. Kangai naongo. Sell. Ina sell sahi. Nakumbukanga nikionanga hii never comes there. Never. It comes here, then come back there later. Now the yearly opening price is it's what will take that price down. Actually, one, tap the yearly opening price. Tap it. So tap it. By the yearly opening price ni. Acha niende kwa. I want the exact point. Unajua tu nimeweka 27. Simple. Unaenda kwa January, unaenda kwa monthly candle, unahanya hivi, and then unaenda kwa hiyo candle ya January, unafanya hivi 43.27.23, so si 57 ni 23 ndio opening price. So unafanya hivi, so ni hapa sasa hii ni ICT yearly candle opening time, where value gap dump. It's dumping, man. Sell market, sell. Kila mtu click sell kwa market. Your stop loss above 43.27. TP, we are coming down here. Sell, everyone, sell gold right now. Sell gold. Everyone right now, sell gold. Sell gold to 43.17. Hey, refusing. Qatarin. Kiangai. Nimeenda sell. So me to deceive. Okay. Niko on sell. Floating on a loss. Stop loss slightly above 43.31. Hiyo patience ya kungojea bank level. Nita add more sales kwa 43.31. 43.31 I will add more sales. Hiyo yearly bank candle imenibeba umalaya. Fuck you, but ni sawa. We're trying to tap up. Even if I hit a stop loss, there is no problem. I'm on sell on gold. If you want sniper sell is 43.31.34, the zero bank level. That's where I will enter sales vizuri sasa. Hii ni yearly bank level si bank opening imenipima mafi. But ni sawa. When you are trading, you always give room for. When you enter a trade, you always give a room for your trades to breathe. If you just enter your trade and you just we don't do that here. Give your trades rooms for entry unless unaenda kwa exact the bank levels. Now hii inatubeba ufala hii market sasa inatubeba ufala. Me I'm on sell. Na hiyo yearly opening price iende kwa shetani imenipima. So juu sasa why do this to me? Why do this to me? Why do this to me? Why do the exactly the point where I'm selling is where it's going the opposite. Go to hell. I'm on sell on gold right now. I'm on sell on gold. Everyone sell gold. Is a sell. If we lose with big boys, tulipoteze si wote. 43.31 mimi sina patience ya kuingojea iende hapo mimi. Juu sasa tutashindia hivyo. Tutashindia hivyo. What about the Asian session midpoint? I will teach you about that later. I will clarify on that. Na hawa watu wamenibeba ufala. Hiyo yearly opening price imenibeba ufala. Na kile hata singe trade. Sasa ndio ningekuwa na layout sales. But it's fine if you can handle the drawdown. It's always fine. If you can handle drawdown in trading, please find another job. Me, I'm on sell, I'm on drawdown, and when that market will tap for 3.31, I will click another sell. If I perish now. I am tired. Mi nimechoka. Tap 43.31 I enter sales. Mi sitasumbuana nayo. Because hii candle ndio ilikuwa imenideceive, but it's very much okay. Ni sawa tu. Hiyo bank the yearly opening price sijui hata mbona nimetrade na niko on lower time frame. Yeah, I was not supposed to do that, but I'm very sure banks zinaenda sales kwa 43.31. So wait it at 43.31, wait for an inside candle inside candle, then sell. Boom. That is what we will do here. Because hii kitu inataka na pia inaweza purge with a high speed. should be very careful juu niko na level 0.5. Unaona the red zone, unaona market usually buys from the red zone to red zone, buy from the red zone to the red zone, level 2.225 to level 0.5. You see even market low itafika level 0.5, but I don't think they will want to take it there for now. Tap level 0. Now let's wait and see what will happen. Let me enlarge the screen and see. Like, where will I need